How to fix Instagram message swipe reply not working. First, go to your app store and make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. After making sure that your app is updated, open your Instagram and check if the messages swipe reply is already working. But if it still didn't work, there is another option. First, go to your profile and select the three lines on the upper right corner of your screen. Click Settings and scroll down to select Meta Account Center. Make sure that your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook account to enable this swipe reply feature. If it's not, you can simply add your Facebook account and you should be able to use this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.